Good morning, good morning. It's the handsome Mr. Schmidt. Katze Schmidt. Schmittens. We have a lot of aliases. But, Tomcat's got to do what a tomcat's got to do. Oh, we got some birds. Mom has other plans, but he has to get his paws in the wet dew. Just another second or two. There must be a nest around here, huh? Hope you guys are all having a good, happy day before 4th of July. Kind of got an extra bonus day this year, didn't we? Happy 250. And it was so cute because I was supposed to be working remote today, and he was already sitting by my desk waiting for me to get started. Okay, come on, Schmidt, let's go. Come on, because I have to go. I'd like to get my feet in some blue water nearby. Have a wonderful July 3rd, everybody.